Have you ever wanted to display menus, advertisements, announcements, or company updates on a TV screen without spending a fortune? If you are new to digital signage and don't know where to start, this video is exactly what you need. Because in today's video, we are going to show you how to use Yodeck. We will walk you through creating a free account, connecting your display, uploading images and videos, designing playlists, scheduling content, and publishing it to your screen. No prior experience is required, and we will cover everything step by step. So, let's begin. Yodeck is a cloud-based digital signage platform that helps businesses create, manage, and display content across one or multiple screens from anywhere. Whether you own a retail store, restaurant, office, school, healthcare facility, or any business that relies on digital displays, Yodeck makes it easy to showcase announcements, promotions, dashboards, videos, images, and much more, all from a single online dashboard. Now, when you go to the official website, which is www.yodeck.com, you will immediately notice its clean, modern, and well-organized design. Right at the top, you will find the navigation menus like the product, introducing the core features and capabilities of Yodeck, and then you have the solutions, wherein it helps you introduce the business across different industries that can use digital signal to improve communication and customer engagement. And of course, if you'd like to learn more about making a decision, the resources section provides the helpful guides, blogs, and documentations, while the partner section is designed for resellers, integrators, and business interested in partnering with Yodeck. One of the most important parts of the website is going to be the pricing page, because this is where you can decide which plan best fits your business size, goals, and budget. And the great thing about Yodeck is that it offers flexible pricing, allowing you to start small and scale up whenever your business grows. If you're just getting started or simply want to test the platform, the free plan is an excellent option. It supports one screen forever at no cost, and you don't even need a credit card to sign up. Despite being free, it still includes all of the essential features you'll need to start displaying digital content, along with unlimited file storage and unlimited users. It's a fantastic way to explore the platform before investing in a paid subscription. Now, for businesses that needs to manage multiple displays, the basic plan costs $8 per screen per month when billed annually. Now, this plan is ideal because if your business requires scheduling with playlist, you might want to go to the basic plan, but it covers almost everything. Now, if your business requires more advanced integration and automation, the premium plan is really good for you. It upgrades you to a more powerful RAM Yodeck player and adds integrations with a lot of tools. It also includes a free lifetime warranty for the Yodeck player, providing additional long-term value. Now, for larger organizations that require enterprise-grade security and admin control, there's the Enterprise plan. This plan includes everything in premium, and you get to have all these perks and benefits. Yodeck's pricing structure makes it easy to start with the free plan and upgrade only when your business needs more additional features. Whether you're running a single display or managing hundreds of screens across multiple locations, there's a plan designed to grow alongside your organization. If you're not sure to choose from any of the plans for now, you might want to go to the free plan. Click the top right corner and what will happen is you'll be forwarded here. Creating an account in Yodeck is very easy. All I have to do is provide all the information needed, and to make it much faster, you can sign up using your Google or with your Microsoft account and then follow the on-screen instructions. Once you've created your Yodeck account, the first thing you will notice is that the platform doesn't immediately take you to the dashboard. Instead, it guides you through a quick onboarding process designed to personalize your experience. The entire setup only takes about a minute, and there are like steps 1 out of 6. But it helps tailor the platform to your specific role and business needs. Now from here, all I have to do is choose what type of work you do, from IT engineering, operations, internal comms, management, marketing, and creative. In our case, I'm going to choose the other and I'm going to click the next button. Now, the next step is Yodeck's onboarding process, selecting the platform on what industry you operate. So you have multiple options here from manufacturing, entertainment, government, corporate, and a lot more. So this step is helpful because every industry has different digital signage needs. For now, I'm going to click the other. I'm going to click on the next button. And then you need to make sure to tell Yodeck the size of your organization. All right. So in our case, that's going to be around to 11 to 50 people or 1 to 10 people. You can choose from 1,000 plus people. It's up to you. And then how many screens are you planning to set up in total? So for now, I'm going to choose the first option. But of course, if you have multiple screens, like 200 plus screens, it's up to you, or 20 screens, 21, you can choose from any of the following options. And of course, which is going to be the primary audience of your screens? Is it going to be like the employees for your company or for your clients or visitors? Now, in my case, I'm going to choose the second option. What happened is you'll get 30 days of unlimited access with up to 5 screens free. All right. I'm just going to go to the free account, and what will happen is just like that, you will notice that the interface is very clean, it's straightforward, yet it's functional. Now, apparently, we are on the welcome section. This is going to be the starting point inside Yodeck. You will typically find the onboarding resources, helpful tips, product updates, and recommended next steps to help you get familiar with the platform, especially if you are a first-time user. The next thing is going to be the dashboard, providing you an overview of your digital signage environment. As you can see, it gives you a snapshot of your screens, recently updated content, playlist if you have that, schedules, and other important information so you can quickly monitor what's happening without navigating through multiple pages. And then the media section is where you upload and organize all of your content. So you have all of the media containing your sample sale signs. So I'm going to upload a specific image. Let's say this one. If you double click on it, what will happen is you have the ability to customize it to have more control. If you want to rename this, it's okay. You can choose from adding a description, adding a tags, and what will happen is just click the save button, and then there you have it. All right. And then the media section also gives you the option to think of it as your content library, where everything is stored from videos to audio to documents and web pages. Everything is stored and ready to use whenever you need it. For example, if you wanted to add a web page, all right, enter the name of that specific web page and then proceed to the form. You want to make sure that all the information is provided here, and then we go to the apps. This lets you enhance your displays with dynamic content instead of just static media. Since this is a newly created account, we don't have any apps yet. These are going to be the apps all in one place. All right, so you have embeddable feeds, custom feeds, Salesforce. Basically, if you hover down below, these are integrations or third-party softwares that extends the Yodeck capabilities. So you have Asana, Canva. Basically, there's a lot here. Now, if you wanted to create your own app, I want you to click this. Let's say we're going to choose Canva. And all I have to do now is click the Use App. But of course, you need to make sure to enter the information and then start embedding that link, and the slideshow will be shown to you once you've done that. Click the Save button. Okay? And then after the apps is going to be the playlist, allowing you to organize your content into a sequence. Now, instead of you displaying one image or a video, you can choose and combine multiple pieces of media into a playlist that plays continuously in order you choose. You can choose from a classic, SharePoint, OneDrive, Google Drive, and Dropbox. These icons requires you to upgrade to the premium plan so that you can unlock all the tools and features. Okay, so essentially this is kind of a perfect for rotating advertisements, announcements, promotional videos, or informational content. Next is going to be the layouts. The layouts lets you divide single screen into multiple zones. For example, if you wanted to create a new layout, we need to search for the specific layout. I'm going to choose this one instead. I'm going to click the plus button. It'll be forwarded here. And then all I have to do is you have the option to, you see that you can customize this text, right? I'm going to make it sure that it's the signage is here, right? I'm going to delete the hours. I'm going to move this back and forth. I'm going to undo that for now. Once you're happy, click the save button. All right. The layout is essentially good if you wanted to show a promotional video on one side, a live newspaper at the bottom, and all I have to do now is set up the screen since we have that earlier. If you have a player, you can use a Raspberry Pi, Amazon Fire Stick, Bright Sign, and if you have a smart TV, you can use the Android, Samsung, LG Windows, and more. But if you wanted to try Yodeck for now on your browser, you can do that as well. This is one of the great things that I like here in Yodeck. Click that continue button and you can find your test screen on the following link. If you click on it, what will happen is you'll be forwarded to a browser web app showing your digital signage display using Yodeck. And as you can see, before you can do that, you need to install the Chrome extension to unlock all the player features. So we're going to install that now here. But as you can see, we have that already installed. We don't need the Chrome extension. I'm going to go back again to the main homepage because I'm going to show you something more, which is going to be the schedules, giving you a complete control over when the content appears. So let's say, for example, we're going to choose the first week of maybe let's say August. If you have that here, let's say around here. If you wanted to repeat or recurring, you can do that. So basically, you can register new screens, monitor their online status, assign playlists or schedules, and manage multiple displays from a single dashboard. Whether you're running one screen or hundreds across different locations, this section makes screen management simple and efficient. Now, on the bottom left corner, you have the Knowledge Hub. If you wanted to know more and gain more insights about Yodeck, you can visit the Screens Tour, Media Tour, playlists, schedules, and you can also read some documentation, how-to videos, and if you wanted to book a live video demo from the sales team, you can do that as well. It's super simple. And with that being said, and that wraps up our beginner's guide to using Yodeck digital signage software. As you have seen throughout this tutorial, Yodeck makes it surprisingly easy to create, organize, schedule, and manage digital content across one or multiple screens. We think that Yodeck is an excellent choice for beginners because of its clean interface, straightforward setup process, and generous free plan that lets you explore the platform before committing to a paid subscription. If you found this helpful, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.